Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be learning how to sew an invisible zip without an invisible footer. You can see this is our normal footer. These are normal footer. Then this is the invisible footer. So for us to tell the difference between both, then so this is my invisible zip. I just want to give us a brief explanation on what I'm going to be doing so that when you see me doing it on the video, you are going to understand fully well what I'm doing. So this is our invisible zip. These are invisible zip. So when sewing, you just want to spread. You see this line in between the zip. You just want to use your hand to spread it like so. You just spread it, like turn it like this, and try as possible to sew in between here, because you are not using your invisible zip or footer now to help you like turn this zip to the other side. So you just want to try every possible best to sew close to the edge of the zip, not on top of the zip, because if you sew on top of the zip, you won't be able to zip your clothes. So try every bit possible to sew behind the zip here, and you just want to be very slow with your sewing machine, be it an industrial machine or a manual machine. So let's go into the video while I show you what I'll be doing with my invisible zip.